Kadosh Boker on Mishna Yomi Masechet Orayot, chapter 2. Okay, Mishnah Zayin and Chet 7 and 8. Asham Talui. We're talking about an Asham Talui. Hayachid v'nasi chayvim. An individual and a king are obligated to bring an Asham Talui. Remember, Asham Talui means that you're not sure if you did the Avirah or not. So you bring a guilt offering, but it's a guilt offering which is depending whether you actually did the Avirah or not. So also a Yachid, and also meaning an individual, and also the Nasi is going to bring it. However, though, the Kohen HaMashiach, that means an anointed Kohen, or a Betim, when they're in doubt whether they did an Avirah or not, they don't bring an Asham Talui. They're Pturim from an Asham Talui. Asham Vadai, however, it's going to be an Asham Vadai, which means for sure they did the Avirah. Everybody's going to be chayav, whether it's the individual, the Nasi, or the Kohen Mashiach. But the Bedin are going to be Pturim. Okay? So he says, Al Shmiat Kol, to do with Shmiat Kol, which means hearing the sounds of an oath, or Bitu Tzvatayim, or declaring an oath falsely. Al Tumah Mikdash V'Kadashav, they went into the Bet Mikdash when they're Tameh, or they ate holy things when they're Tameh. Betim Pturim, the Betin are going to be Patur in such a case. Right? And the Yachid, V'Nasi, V'Mashiach is going to be Chayavim. Ela she'en Kohen, right? But rather a Kohen Gadol is not going to be Ela she'en Kohen Gadol Chayav Tumah Mikdash V'Kadashav, according to Rabbi Shimon. That means according to Rabbi Shimon, a Kohen Gadol, right, is never going to be obligated to bring a korban for Tum'ah and Tumat Mikdash V'Kodoshav. Meaning, if a Kohen Gadol came into the Bet Mikdash when he's Tameh, it's still okay. Or if he went into the Bet Mikdash or he ate Kodshim when he was Tameh, it's still going to be okay. Okay? Now he says over here, Umayin Mavin. So now what do the Kohen HaMashiach and the king bring? So he says, Korban Olev Yored, a variable chatat, meaning it goes up and down according to his status in the society. And Rabbi Eliezer Omer, Anasi Mevi Seir, that the Nasi, right, the king, he's going to bring a male goat, right, and not a Ole Viored. That was the first Mishnah. Second Mishnah, this is now chapter 3, right, Mishnah 1. So again, Perek Bet, it was the last Mishnah of the chapter, which was Mishnah Zayin, and then Perek Gimel, Mishnah Aleph. כהן משיח שחטא ואחר כך עבר ממשיכותו, וכן נשיא שחטא ואחר כך עבר מגדולתו, כהן משיח מביא פר ונשיא מביא שעיר. When you have a Kohen Mashiach, that he sinned, you have anointed Kohen, he sinned, and then afterwards, he left his position. So now, and right, that he stopped serving as a Kohen Gadol, or a Nasi, that he was a king, that he sinned, ואחר כך עבר מגדולתו, and then afterwards, he wasn't king anymore. So the Kohen Mashiach מביא par, so the Kohen Mashiach still has to bring a par, because at the end of the day, it was still a Kohen Mashiach at the time. And the Nasi is still going to be he's still going to bring a he-goat, which means the person's status at the time of the sin is what determines what he brings, and not right now. That means even though now he went down from his greatness, he still has to bring what according to what he was at the time of the sin.